In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Microsoft Office documents. We'll walk you through the steps to access and utilize Microsoft Office apps absolutely free of charge. Whether you need to create a Word document, manage an Excel spreadsheet, or design a PowerPoint presentation, this guide will help you get started without spending a dime. Let's dive in. First, all you'll need is a Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create a free account using an email from Outlook, Hotmail, or Live. Signing in with your Microsoft account opens the doors to using their suite of Office apps online. Once logged in, navigate to the Microsoft Office online platform where you'll find a selection of apps ready for you to use. Now you choose the app you need from the menu. If you're looking to draft a document, click on Word to create or open an existing Word file. For those needing to manage data or crunch numbers, Excel is your go-to choice for spreadsheets. And if you're preparing a visual and engaging presentation, select PowerPoint to get started on your slides. Each of these apps has a user-friendly interface, familiar if you've used the desktop versions, making it easy to dive right into your tasks. One of the convenient features of using Microsoft Office online is the automatic saving to OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. This ensures your work is safely stored and can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. Gone are the days of worrying about losing progress due to unexpected shutdowns or errors. However, if you prefer to have a copy saved directly to your device, Microsoft Office Online provides a simple way to download your documents. Just go to File, then Save As, and select Download a Copy. You'll have the document available in Word format, making it versatile for further editing or sharing offline. In conclusion, accessing Microsoft Office for free allows you to work efficiently from anywhere with the convenience and features of traditional Office programs. From drafting reports in Word, building data charts in Excel, to designing impactful presentations in PowerPoint, this method empowers you with the tools needed for everyday productivity. By harnessing the capabilities of OneDrive, your files stay organized and safe, offering peace of mind and ease of collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using digital tools to enhance your productivity.